API stock analysis for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this one in the video till the end to find out. So just observing and looking at Agora stock, I see like a 0.3% correction. My bad, lads. This is how my chart is looking like currently, and with all seriousness, I'm trying to be kind of not nice here, but it's not looking so good, bro. I mean, I understand that it's kind of picking up and whatnot. But like, I'm not really confident enough in order just to randomly buy here. You know, ideally want to see more greenery and just like a break above it. But if push comes to shove and we pull down lower, if there is some sort of like a confirmation here, then and only then I'm still gonna buy. But like randomly buying, it's just not gonna be happening. So yeah, that's where we're at. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just get my free insights and emails. First link in the description, it's free. And I will continue to keep you updated. The fastest way to freaking knowledge.